I'm JoAnne Northrup, Curatorial Director and Curator of Contemporary Art at the Nevada Museum of Art. Bolivian artist Sonia Falcone creates an immersive sensory experience with her installation Campo de Color, or Color Field. Using dry pigments, salts, and spices, she creates individual mountains of these colorful and fragrant materials. Falcone's installation alludes to globalism and the ways that we can connect with other cultures through foods and spices, if not travel. Campo de Color also reminds us of the spice trade between historical civilizations and how demand for salts, spices, and other materials drove colonial enterprise. You might remember seeing Falcone's installation in the 2017 exhibition Unsettled, which explored a superregion called the Greater West. The museum purchased Campo de Color thanks to a gift from the Robert S. and Dorothy J. Kaiser Foundation. So that means you'll see it again someday in our galleries.